Okay, let's look at Euro USD. Let's do a fresh analysis on this pair. Okay, this is the 24th day of June. Let's see what the market is telling us. Now, remember what I told us, always start your analysis from the monthly time frame. Start your analysis from the monthly time frame. And for you to get your structure right, I recommend you use your line chart. Use your line chart. Now, your focus should be at this bent area. Okay. Now you don't need to go back to history. Just focus on the closest because it's a monthly time frame. Now, if you are a newbie, this is the best way to get your structure accurately. This is the best way to get your structure accurately. Now, once you get this, you go to your weekly time frame. Now you can make some adjustments. Okay, you can take this. Okay, you can make some adjustments in the structure. Now, when you are done, you can go back to your candlestick. Okay, let me add one more. Okay, then go back to your candlestick. Now, we have gotten our major structure. Now, I recommend you use this pattern. Is quite very accurate. We have gotten our major structure. Now we can go down to a lower time frame. Let's say 4 hours. Now, these are structure. Now, remember what I told us in the previous videos, that don't take a trade at the middle of this structure. So if you open a pair and the pair is at the mid, the price is at the middle. Let's assume the price is at this point. You don't have business with this pair. Just go to the next pair. Look for the pair that is close to this structure because these are major. So like for Euro USD, is close to the structure. So I'll be interested in this pair for today. To be among the pair, I'll be looking to take a trade. Now, but if you look very well, what can we actually do here? We can do nothing because there's so much price action going on here. The price is just going down, 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 down. At this point, the market can reverse to the upside. At this point, the market can decide to keep going down. Now, what I will recommend you do for today, wait for a level of consolidation. Let me give you an instance. Wait for a level of consolidation. Let's say something like this. Let the market just consolidate for some time. Now, then wait for the break from that consolidation. For instance, let's assume the market give us something like this. Now, what you should do is to wait for the market to break out from this level, retest, then you can take a buy to this area, or wait for the market to break from it, retest, you can take a sell. Now, I will not advise you start selling this market because the market is dropping down. Now, I won't advise. I will not also advise you start buying this market. Always wait for a level of consolidation, break from that consolidation, retest, then you can take your your buy or your sell. Now let's go down to a smaller time frame and see if the, okay, as you can see, the consolidation have already started. It has already started. Just allow it to break. Now I can take this, I can bring this to this level also. Yes, I can do that. I can bring this to this level. So, but the disadvantage of this is that the market can break and find resistance in this level and come to the downside. Okay, so that is why it depends on the kind of trader that you are. So, but I believe this will do. Break from this movement, retest, and please, when the market retest the structure, always wait for an engulfing candle or a weak rejection candle. Now, once the market break out from this structure, don't just start buying. If you retest, don't just start buying also. Wait for a weak rejection or an engulfing candle, a bullish engulfing candle. Why should you do that? Now, the market can decide to break from this structure and stop a lot of traders out and go to the downside. So while you are trying to buy, the market is actually going to the downside. So you will be stopped at severally, thinking that the market will go to the upside. So that is why you should always try to read the candlestick closely. So if the market break out from this structure, retest this structure, wait for a bullish engulfing candle, before you take a buy from this market. Okay. Okay. Now, so what are we expecting tomorrow? Or sorry, today? What are we expecting? What setup? Okay. Now, for tomorrow, this is what I would advise us to do. Sorry, for today. Sorry, the market has not opened, but this is what I would advise us to do. Trap the price at this 2 point. Wait for the market to break, retest, wait for a bullish engulfing candle or a weak rejection candle, and this is your first target. That is your first setup. Now, the second setup, the market can consolidate, 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 then break from this structure, retest, then move to the downside. Now, these are the two possibilities you should be watching out for today, the 24th day of June. Watch out for this setup, and anyone that plays out, follow it. Now, the good part is this: one of this setup must play out today, is a must. So you just need to carefully, patiently wait for it, break up the structure, retest, look for a bullish engulfing candle or a weak rejection candle, and you follow the market to the next point. Okay, that is that for Euro USD for today. So we'll watch out what the market will do. Now, tomorrow on the 25th, we'll also check what we have done and try to see what the market will be doing the next day. Okay, so I'll call it a day on this pair. I'll move to other pair. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and always watch out for analysis for the day. I post analysis every day before the market open, so you can check out my channel, look at the analysis. It will help you in your own analysis and in your trade. Okay, take care of yourself. See you in the next pair. Bye.